Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing controls and body position so you can feel feedback. Press the clutch all the way down with your left foot and place your right foot lightly on the brake. Release the handbrake only when you are ready to move. Shift into first gear firmly, keep the engine at idle and listen for RPM changes. Once done, slowly release the brake and find the bite point, that subtle resistance where the clutch begins to engage and the car wants to move. You now coordinate throttle and clutch to get rolling. Hold the bite point with the clutch, then gently roll off the brake while adding about 1,000 to 1,500 RPM with the right foot. As the engine pulls, release the clutch smoothly over 1 second to avoid stalling. Feel weight transfer as the car begins to move. Once moving, fully release the clutch and feather the throttle to stabilize speed. If stopping soon, press the clutch before the engine labors, then brake progressively to a controlled stop. You complete shifts by anticipating power needs and using the clutch deliberately. To upshift, lift off throttle, depress the clutch fully, select the next gear, then release the clutch while reapplying throttle smoothly. Do this around 2,500 to 3,000 RPM for typical driving. When slowing, downshift earlier to keep engine braking available and blip the throttle if the revs drop too low. If you stall or hear grinding, keep calm, press clutch, stop, restart the engine, and repeat the move off more slowly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.